I'm down here in the shed side of my barn, and it's kind of a catch-all right now. I'm fixing. The plan is to kind of get all this organized and situated, but I got my wood splitter behind us, and I'll show you that in just a second. But I built this rack the other day. Yeah, a few days, probably a few weeks ago. This wood here is cut last year, so I've got this stacked up here, and I've got some more in a tote. But I've been wanting to make one of these racks. I think I originally seen that in maybe a Mother Earth News a long time ago, back when it was still good, not like today when it's kind of woke. But I used to read it quite a bit, and I remember seeing somebody build one of these racks. It's just 2 blocks, 2 4x4s, and they used 2 2x4s, and this is exactly what I did. So I've got 2 blocks. I got some 2 pieces of landscape timbers, them old cheap ones. I cut. I was going to use another for something else that didn't work out. So I put them here, and I put 2 2x4s. So this is probably about at the widest 5.5 foot. Really be better if you use an 8 foot, but I don't really have room here. When I do my new wood storage, I will. I'll probably still use these. So, but I'm gonna make another one. I got a load of wood here. I'm fixing to bust up for next year. So I'm gonna build one right here beside it, and I got 2 more. Actually, the 2 leftover ones from the landscape timbers down here. And I got 2 blocks, 2 concrete blocks that, well, actually I had the old beehives thing, old bee yard I had down behind the hind tunnel. I tore it down. That's what I got left over. So I'll show you how I'm gonna build this real quick. I got one there. There's some old cheap timbers I was telling you about. So one here. This one's actually longer than the other one I just built. It's all right. All right, and this one you see I use 2. I'm gonna try it with 1 on this one, see if it works any better. Well, I'm talking about the uprights. So I got 2 before left over. I think it's 8 foot. Yeah. Cut it right in half. So like I said, I'm gonna try it with 1. It's be a little cheaper model. Might actually work out a little better. All right, I'm gonna turn you around. We'll get this log splitter warmed up, and we'll start splitting some wood and put it on here. And this thing is super loud, so I'll probably muffle it or even put some music there. I won't do any talking while we're doing this. They say to run that thing out of gas is why it did that. And I don't know, I'll try to get another load tomorrow. I won't film it, I won't bore you with the thing, but you can see how much this thing got here. Let me move my camera over. Let me just take it out. And you can see I almost got this whole thing full. That's just one little load of my little truck back here. So, really don't hold as much as like a full-size truck. So anyway, there it is. So there you go. Now this is not a rick. A rick is 8 foot long in the South. A rick is 8 foot long by 4 foot high of wood. So you gotta be careful. I think it's called maybe a face cord or something like that in the South. I mean, in the North, it's called a face cord. We're down here, we call it a rick. And we say 3 ricks make a cord. So a cord is 8 foot long, 4 foot high, and 4 foot wide. So I know it gets kind of confusing about a rick and a cord and a face cord. A face cord and a rick, the same thing. So anyway, all right, I got probably maybe 2 more loads to get. I don't know if I get it today. Got some other things I got to do. I'm not going to bore you with another ones. We'll do something else tomorrow, or film something else tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to get another rack though, because I got at least 2 more loads, and we'll have to do something with it. I got another cage, but I was wanting to use it for something else, for some more firewood. So I might just go buy. I have to buy 2 more blocks and 2 more things. So I might just do that. I don't know. It's not that expensive. I'll check the price on it. All right, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll be back tomorrow with a different video about something else. Just give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you tomorrow down here on the farm.